this is Aisha of Decor Designs by Aisha, and welcome to my channel. Well, in today's video, I am going to be showing you how I'm going to be hanging a balloon garland that I made right here on my wall. All right, so I'm going to hang it right here in this area right here, and it's just going to take a loop. I'm going to start it over on the left hand side. I'm going to come here to the middle, and I'm going to end up over here on the right hand side. All right, so let me show you what I have that I'm going to be hanging it with. I'm going to be using fishing line to hang my balloon garland. All right, so let me show you what I put, what I have in the wall in order to hang it. All right, so here is what I'm using in order to hang my balloon garland. As you see, that is just a plain nail right there. And my husband had hung up some pictures here in our living room, so that's why I'm going to use that nail. But remember, if you're decorating for a client or you're decorating in a venue, a lot of times you cannot put nails in a wall, so you would have to, use something else instead of nails. But I am here in my home, so I'm just going to be showing you how I'm going to be hanging this balloon garland here, here in my living room. All right, so let's get started. All right, so here are the balloons that I'm going to be using. And again, these balloons came from my daughter's the birthday celebration that I did for her. I'm going to be linking those videos in the card section, so make sure you go and check them out. All right, so I'm going to be using these balloons, and as you see, they're in a different variety of shapes. And all of these balloons here came from Sempertex. I use Sempertex balloons, which I purchased from Balloons Online. All right. So there are the gold ones, the black ones, and the white. All right. And I'm going to be using fishing line. Let me show you the fishing line. I'm going to be using this to attach my balloons together and to put them there on my wall. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this balloon here, and I'm just going to first of all, I am going to attach it to this this other balloon. And remember, I don't know if you've seen my other video where I attach, I do something different with my balloons. I attach them by the neck, and this is called the neck right here. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach the neck of this balloon right here. I don't know if you can see it. The neck of this balloon to the neck of this balloon. All right, just like so. And I take it and I tie it and just connect it right here. And I'm going to be linking the video that I actually show you exactly how to attach them by the neck, in case you need to, so that you can see that video, okay, if you did not see it. All right, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to put it up on the wall. All right, so all I did was take my fishing line and just wrap it around one of the balloons, and I tied it. I don't know if you can see it, but I tied it down into one of the balloons and just wrap it around. Okay, this is how I do mine. All right, and now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this other end and just go ahead and place it up on the wall. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to get you a little closer so that you can see what I am doing. Alright, so now I'm going to be working with the middle part of the balloon right here. Okay. I'm trying to position it so that you can see. Alright, I hope that you're able to see it. Let me pull it back just a little bit so you can see. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this part of my fishing line, and I'm just going to tie a knot so that I can attach it to the nail that's in the wall already. This is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to take it, hopefully you can see. I'm going to take the fishing line, and all I did was put a circle. All right, so this is going to be this is going to attach around the nail. All right, and I'm just going to tie it on the nail like so, and just put in a like a double knot. All right, I hope you was able to see that. All right, let me bring it closer so that you can see. All right, so all I did was take my fishing line, you can see, and I just tied it, put the fishing line and tied it in a knot, like a double loop or a double knot here on the nail, just like so. And as you see, I still have fishing line left over. Oh, man. Okay. And what I'm going to do with this extra fishing line right here is I'm going to attach it to the balloon garland so that it can hang. All right, so I'm going to take this part and I'm going to take my balloon garland. Okay, I'm going to pull it all the way over to me. I'm going to make it longer so that it can stretch out. All right. So I'm going to take this right here and I'm just going to attach it around one of the balloons. All right. All right, and this is how it looks so far. I'm not finished, but I have finished the first part of the balloon garland. All right, and I have finished the second part of the balloon garland. Remember, I'm doing like 3 parts. I'm doing the left side, the middle side, and the right side for the nail. All right, so let me finish up. All right, remember, take your fishing line, go ahead and tie a knot or like a circle here. And what I do, I just double it. Okay, so as you see, this is the circle, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to place it here on the nail, if you can see that. Okay, this is the nail, this is my fishing line, and I'm just going to tighten it up here on the nail, just like so. Okay, just like that. And I'm just going to double tie it a couple of more times just to make sure it is you know, it's secure. All right, here's my fishing line, the fishing part that I'm going to add my balloon to. I'm going to take my balloon, pull it over here. I'm going to take it, slide down. All right, and I'm going to wrap it around one of the balloons. Okay, and then I'm going to wrap it around another balloon, and then another one. Okay, and this is just to secure it. All right, and you can position it the way you would like. Okay, take it and go around one of the top balloons. All right, now all you have to do is just take it. I'm trying to get back on my ladder and put it back up on your nail. All right, take it around a couple of more times so that it's secure. All right, and put it around a couple of more times of the balloon. Okay, and then I tie mine again just to make sure it is secure. All right. You want to try to make sure it's tight so that it will not come down. All right, and I hope that you've seen all of how I did it. All right, y'all, so I am finished with making my balloon garland on the wall, as you see right here. Okay, so let me take you in again to show you how I did everything. Okay, so if you see there, I just added fishing line to a nail. And you can always add more balloons on this side so that you can cover that up. But remember, if you're doing it for a client or at a venue, you cannot put nails in a wall. This is here in my home, so that's why I already had these nails up from a picture that my husband had put up on the wall. So I decided to do a balloon garland here. All right, and that is the same way that I attached the middle part. Okay. And I also attached the one on the right side. Just like, see, if you can see right here. Okay. So you just want to make sure that it's pulled. You don't want to make it too tight, but you want to make sure it is tight enough so that your balloon garland will not fall off the wall. Another thing that you all can do with this balloon garland, if you would like, you can add 5-inch balloons, you can add 9-inch balloons. You know what? You know, it's yours. So you do whatever it is that you want to do with it. Use your creative mind to come up with some amazing creative ways to decorate your balloon garland. I just kept it simple. All right. You can add flowers. You can add pampas grass. You can add, you know, whatever it is that you want to add. You can, you know, take pictures or whatever it is that you want to do. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to add my throne chair in the middle. All right, because I have some things that I need to do for my business. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. I hope that you all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I am almost at 1,000 subscribers. All right. I hope that you all have an amazing day. And I will see y'all in my next video.